This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what your console accepts, because buying the wrong drive wastes time and money. Open Settings and check Storage to see current layout, then decide if you want the proprietary Seagate expansion card or an internal NVMe upgrade with an adapter. Once chosen, backup game saves to the cloud so you don't lose progress, and make sure to have a small Phillips screwdriver ready for internal access. Don't risk static, so ground yourself before touching components. You now do the hands-on work. Power the console down and unplug it, then remove the side panel or access point for an internal NVMe. Carefully install the M.2 into the slot at the correct angle, secure the screw, or attach your external SSD to a USB 3.1/3.2 port. Once reassembled and powered on, the console will detect new media. Follow the on-screen prompts to format as Xbox storage. This step makes the drive usable for games, because Xbox needs its own file system. You finish by moving games. Open Settings, go to System, Storage, and use Move Games and add-ons to transfer titles to the new drive. Once moved, launch a few games to confirm load times and that saves are present. This proves the transfer worked. If the drive doesn't appear, power down, reseat the module or swap USB ports and try formatting again. Sometimes the console needs a fresh initialize. If persistent errors occur, check compatibility. Returning to the correct model, usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.